Slap. Yo, I'm shipping clothes every day, man. Every day. You sent me 2 shirts. I don't know if it was an accident. It was an accident, but just go ahead and keep that shit, bro. Just go ahead and keep that shirt, man. It's whatever, man. We got Subway with it. We got Subway. Yo, shout out to Isaac, man. This man just sent me 69 cents, bro. Watching you while dyeing my hair black. Yo, Corbin, yo, bro. I'm about to go to my storage unit and switch it. But after, we gotta do something, bro. What am I ordering from Subway? Yo, bro, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. My man's Valentino put me on crazy, bro. Like, some wild shit, man.
I just got shinies. So shinies are like random different variants of them. They're different colors. The previous two colors golden. This color yellow. The first one's usually red and purple.
Yo, shout out to Q, bitch. Shit weak, man. Hell no, man. Shit's fire as fuck. Shot in a Martin Louis King Jr., bro. Slap, bro. Hey, we got a real one in the motherfucking live right now, man. If I had a hat on, bro, I would tip it to you, bro. No cap. MySpace emo hair. Yeah, I'm really going that route. I'm really sticking true to myself, man. I ain't never did something I didn't want to do. Or be something I wasn't. Feel me? Fit check. You know what I'm saying? I got the Prada pants. Rick. Palace. Louis. Sample Palace shirt, bro. This is a sample. You feel me? I know you can't see it. All white. Yeah, bro. Really rocking that fit. Just to go to my storage unit. Not even on some shit. Bring pallets back for real. Hey, yo, I'm trying, man. I'm trying. But honestly, they didn't even go nowhere. They just, I don't know what happened. Be like that for real. Yo, Top Gun, where you at, fool? Do something crazy. You want to see me do a smoking challenge in the subway? Did you drop clothes off at post office? No. So the people come to me and I just give them what I've packed. My mask shipped. Yeah, bro. I told y'all I wasn't lying. Y'all just gotta trust me with that shit. Fucking these manufacturers, bro, be some hoe ass bitches for real. Like, shit lame. Shit lame, bro. About time, bro. I'm just trying to get this shit out of here, dude. How do I deal with my emotions? I don't know. Probably the worst person to ask about that. To be honest. Yo, I just reached 5 supporters. Don't forget to thank him. Shout out to Zach, absent. Man just gave me $5 for no reason. I could get a Subway sandwich again right now with that. Appreciate that. Do I fuck with war? That's kind of a real I don't know what to say about that. Pay some respect to the real Joy Division. I am with my username. What are you talking about? Joy, show us the new tattoo on your chin. It's not new, but got me shit go all the way around. I don't know if it was a good idea, but fucking right. I mean, hey yo, whoa! Someone said get a tuna sub, bro. Can you imagine? A whole sandwich with just tuna on it? That's disgusting. That is not it. Hey yo, shout out to Twins 6SA, man. And shout out to Mark Heredia 52. Yeah. Nasty as fuck, a tuna sub. A foot long tuna sub. Hell no. Going crazy. Meatball marinara do go crazy though. It do go crazy. That is some wild shit, bro. I've never heard of that. Why are you eating so fast? Now he was just playing, guys. Alright. Foot long tuna. Nah. Hey yo. That's a crazy ass name. Shout out to Orgy. Orgy bought a badge. And shout out to Mixing Margella. He bought a badge too. And shout out to Cream Closet, bro. He didn't buy a badge, but this man got all the rarest Cardi merch ever, bro. Like, I think I spent like $700 with him like last week. Shit's crazy. I just got a notification that I've reached 10 supporters. Don't forget to thank them. That's what's up. My dad said steak and cheese. That's interesting, Dad. Thank you for saying that. Saw you at that store once in Houston hopping out of a Rolls Royce. Inspiring for real. Thank you. That was a rented car. Shout out to Hearted and XV.30s. And shout out to Glenn Peel and Half Zipped, man. And shout out to Iziz, I don't even know. And shout out to Opium 16.29, man. Going crazy. What type of cheese? Yo, I fuck with pepper jack and provolone. And mozzarella, dude. Mozzarella. They didn't have none today, bro. Favorite artist besides Cardi? I'd have to say like maybe Crystal Castles for sure. Cardi. I just listened to like a bunch of like random shit. Shout out to Seattle, Atlanta for buying a badge, man. Why you tell on me when I stole them jelly sandals at Walmart? I have no idea what you're talking about. Shout out to Bloody Who, Bloody Him. Favorite Cardi song, released / unreleased. Rockstar Made is my favorite song that Cardi's ever made. Not only because I have a video of him making it, but just I like watched that whole thing go down, and that shit was crazy. That shit was insane. I've never recorded anything better than that. And that's on everything. Am I working with anything with Mitch? No, not really, but that's a good idea though. So You getting chips with your sub? Absolutely, bro. Motherfucking this shit right here. Do I curate anything? No, I don't. I don't. Bro just knows what he's doing. And real goat, man. Real goat. Best advice for starting a brand is just to start the brand, bro. No bad. I don't have that inhaler you gave me in NYC, bro. Yeah, I don't know no more, but yeah, I'm about to get the fuck out of here, man.